Emmy, are you playing in the workshop? Yeah, you made a big mess. Let's see, what's the date today? Today is cheese. I'm taking a movie of you. Today is October the, I think it's the 20th. October 20th, 2010. And it's a warm day today, so we were cleaning in the workshop. And Emmy had to get stripped down because she was helping. Yeah, you were helping a lot, weren't you? Yeah. I'm taking a picture of you.
Cheese.
Cheese. Emmy, what's this? What's this? What's this?
Toolbox.
Toolbox, right. That's my toolbox. What's this?
Toolbox.
That's a toolbox too, isn't it? I have two toolboxes. Two toolboxes. In the workshop, yeah. That's the big toolbox. And this is the small toolbox. Yeah. We have a big one and a little one. Don't we? Yes, we do. Don't we? Yeah. Whoa. Back up. Back up. We're getting wet. How many buckets do you have? 1 bucket, 2 buckets. Woo. Whoa. Wow. Don't get the camera wet. Don't get the camera wet. What you looking at? Sean. Daddy. What's Buddy's name?
Jeff.
Jeff. What is Hatty's name?
Jeff.
No, not Jeff. What's Hatty's name? Evan. Evan. What is Honey's name? What's Honey's name? Huh? What's Honey's name? Whoa, careful, slippery, slippery, slippery. Hold that, okay, I'll hold it. All right, I got it. Careful, watch it, it's slippery. Water is so fun. Whoa.
Honey.
Did you hit your face?
Honey.
Did you hit your face?
Face.
Did you hit your face on the bucket? Your chin. I think you hit your chin, didn't you? Yeah, you gotta be careful. Come here, I'll give you a kiss. I'll give you a kiss.
Mm. Come, buddy.
Yes, I gave you a kiss, didn't I? Yeah, I kissed it.
Face.
You hit your chin. Yes, you did. I saw that on the edge of the bucket. It was too slippery. Okay.
Kiss it.
Yes. Kiss it again.
Buddy.
Can I have another kiss? Can I have another kiss? Huh? You taste good. You taste good. Yes, we went on the train. When we went to the fair, we went on the train. You're right, we did.
Ding, ding,
Ding, ding, ding, ding, ding, train, ding, 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 ding. Yes, we saw that, and it's yellow, isn't it? The yellow train. Yes, it is. It's yellow. I know. It's yellow. And whenever it stopped whenever it came across the street, it went ding, 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 ding. Yeah, we took the train to the State Fair of Texas. Yay! Howdy, folks. Welcome to the State Fair of Texas. Remember? Remember? Yeah, we saw all kinds of stuff, didn't we? Right?
Train.
There was a train. We took the train there. Yes, we did. We took it. We went on the train and we sat on the seats. And other people got on the train with us. I remember. I do. I remember. I remember. And then we saw lights. We saw lights. Yes, we did. There's lots of people. Lots of people. Yes, there were.
Trees.
There were trees. Yes, there were.
Many.
Are you, Minnie's in your bedroom. Would you like to take a nap? Do you think that would feel better?
Better.
Would that make you feel better? Okay, we can go take a nap.
Hands.
Let's dry you up a little bit and then we'll go in the house, okay? All right, good girl. All right, I think we're ready. All right, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. All right.
Truck.